Every now and then, I still get a flashback of the time I spent thinking you could be that one. Should I have just kept your love? Yes, I understand. We did have some good times. On the other hand, kept me crying a whole night. It was too much for my mind. So even though I loved you, I can't forget you. 'Cause when I think about you, it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet. Yes, I'll always love you. It's bittersweet, bittersweet. When we were together, you ain't treat me right. Then I really love ya, I ain't gonna lie. 'Cause when I think about you, it's bittersweet, it's bittersweet.